This 1995 Chevy 2500 is my new work truck that I bought a little while ago because the S10, when I wanted to tow my flatbed trailer or tow a car behind it, the S10 did it fine, but I always felt bad for the transmission and the engine, especially when I towed the Jaguar with it. So I figured I'm just gonna upgrade a bit and get a 2500. This has got the 6.5 diesel and it's got a dump bed. But there's one thing about it that I don't like, and that's that it's a single rear axle. It's not a dually. So in this video we're going to change that. I'm going to be converting it to a dually, and I'm going to be doing it the Redneck way, which is just add a wheel spacer and then stick another wheel on there, like make longer lugs and then stick a wheel on there. So if you're the type of person who will get annoyed by that, don't watch this video. If you're the type of person who wants to see a cheap way to turn your truck to a dually, this will be a great video for you. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to change out the whole rear axle, so I'm just going to do it the easy way. Hope you guys enjoy. And I guess I'll give you guys a bit of a cold start. It's about 49 degrees. Got down to 43 last night, so it's not very cold, but it's cold for Detroit 6.5. I'll just like the plug one time. Well, there you go, not bad. Alright, so the first step is to take off the back rear tires. And I just want to mention this. If I'm moving a bit sluggish today or I'm slurring my words a bit, it's just because I went through surgery. That's also why I haven't uploaded in a little while, so I apologize for that, but I'm still recovering and I'm still on painkillers for my surgery, so. Oh yes, and I'm wearing Crocs because those are the best mechanic shoes. All right, let's lift her up. Truck's too damn high for my jack. I'm gonna need to put some pieces of wood underneath it to help it lift up. All right, I got some wood under here to help me lift it up, and the thing about this job is that it doesn't require me to get under the car, so don't worry guys, I'm not gonna be under here because I know it's not too stable. And this guy's got a bunch of suspension room because that still wasn't tall enough. Hey, when I said this was going to be the Redneck way, I wasn't joking. Holy sweet baby Jesus. This guy has a lot of suspension trouble. Even with whatever, like a foot of wood there, it's not coming off. And this wood's sketchy even by rural Vermonter standards. That's why I'm definitely not getting under there. So what I'm going to do instead is just air down the tires and yank it out of there. I need a lift. That would help me a lot. Alright, well, let's see if that aired it down enough. Alright, got the truck support in a different area. I think this tire's about ready to come off. There she is. Look at that big ass drum brake. Okay, so now I got the rear tire off. I'll tell you my basic plan and the price of this Redneck dually conversion. So I bought these steel spacers on eBay for 50 bucks or whatever, 53 bucks. These are going to plop on here onto the old rim like that, and these are dually spacers, so they have the extra long studs, as you can tell there. So basically you can pop one wheel on, pop the other wheel on. I mean, it should work just fine. And these, the old lug nuts screw this on right there. So that's the plan. See if it works. Oh, and the tires and rims cost me a total of $529. I got them from Town Fair Tire. So total it'll be around 600 bucks, which is cheaper than a new axle. Especially if you get one from here in the junkyard. If you want to find a rust-free one, you're going to be looking at a hell of a lot more than 600 bucks. And then you probably need new tires, so then you're down another 400 bucks. So in this case, I'll have brand new tires, rims, and we'll be out 600 bucks or so. I'll attempt to do the other side now. Hopefully to make this go smoother, I'm just going to lift by the rear axle, which I was always told not to do, but it's kind of tough and sketchy putting it on that wood there. So I'll find a good jack point on the rear axle, lift her up by there. Holy crap, that was easier than the other side. Should have done that from the first place. Anyway, the wheel's off the ground already enough. Let's pop her out of there, put a jack stand under. Alrighty, now we got to put on the dually rims. Alright, well, my tires finally arrived a week late. They are branded Linglong, which is a Chinese company that I never heard of before. I don't think they're extremely reputable, but we'll try them out because they were cheap. So let me put these on and turn this truck into a dually. Alright, let's put the wheel spacer on now. Alright, now it's time for the wheels. Let's see if they actually even fit. Look at that, it actually fits. Now we'll try the other one. Alright, looks like everything fit. I'll just tighten her down now. Well, there's the first side done. I'm going to need to extend that fender a little bit, but we got a dually. Two different tread tires, if you guys can tell. But who cares? I think it looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can get this on here before dark. Alright, we got both sides on. Let me drop her down and take a peek at this. Alright, so I officially have a dually truck. Here's what it looks like from the back. So, looks cooler. I gotta do one more thing before I end this video. In Vermont, the law is the tire can't extend the fender, so I'm just going to add a piece of wood over that just to be legal in Vermont, and then we'll end this video. The fender flare will be very simple. I'll just chop this in half and then stick it over on either side and attach it using that. So let me do that really quick. Okay, I didn't really have a long enough piece of wood, but that's legal, believe it or not, in Vermont. So we're gonna leave that for now until I get a bit longer wood. Well, I did the other side also, so that's probably gonna be at the end of this video. I definitely will make the fender flares look a little nicer in the future, but there it is for now. Thanks for watching. I'll give you a view from over here. And over here. There you go. Don't you just think that looks better as a dually? I think so. I just gotta say, nothing sounds better than a Detroit diesel. Alright, see you next week.